अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम पढ़ेंगे दी मार्केट रिसर्च प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू विद कंज्यूमर मार्केट। Contact method are used to obtain the information. Contact method can be listed as main questionnaires used to collect large amount of information at a low cost. Telephone interviewing, good method for collecting information quickly. Personal interviewing, which can be either individual or group interviewing. Sampling plan are used to outline how samples will be contrasted and used. First point है A sample is a segment of the population selected for marketing research to represent the population as a whole. Second point है marketing research usually draw conclusions about large group of consumer by studying a small sample of the total consumer population. Third point है decisioning a small simple calls for three decisions. O is the survived what sampling unit. B है how many people should be survived what simple size. C है how should the sample be choose what sampling producer. 4 point है kinds of sample include. A point है probability sample. Each population member has a no chance of being included in the sample and research can calculate confidence limit for sample error. B point है non probability sample. Sample error cannot be measured. Research instruments. In collection primary data marketing research have a choice of two main research instruments, the questionnaire and mechanical device. Questionnaires are very flexible. There are many ways to ask questions. Step 3 है implementation the research plan. The research next put the marketing research plan into action. Data collection can be carried out by the company marketing research staff or by outside firms. However, outside firms that specialize in data collection often can do the job more quickly and at a lower cost. Step 4 interpreting and reporting the finding. The final step in the marketing research process in interpreting and reporting the finding. Research should present important findings that are useful in the major decision faced by management. Interpretation should not be left only to research. Similarly, manager may be based. They might tend to accept research result that how what they expected and to reject those that they did not expect or hope for. Thus, manager and researchers must work together closely then interpreting research result and both must share responsibility for the research process and resulting decisions. Consumer market. Definition of consumer market. All individual and household who buy or acquire goods and services for personal consumptions are termed as consumer. Consumer behavior is influenced by the buyer characteristics and by the buyer decision process. Consumer market. Consumer buying behavior refers to the buying behavior of final consumer, individual and household who buy goods and services for personal consumptions. The world consumer market consists of more than 6 billion people. At present growth rate, the world population will reach almost 8 billion people by 2025. Consumers around the world vary tremendously in age, income, education level and taste. Why they study consumer behavior? हम consumer behavior को study क्यों करते हैं? Basic object of the studying consumer behavior is that the firm need to know how buy their product, how they buy, then and where they buy, why and they buy.